Hi everyone, let's see how to get the Windows 11 25H2 update if it is not showing in the Windows Update. Simply search for Registry Editor and open it. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location. Paste it in the address bar of Registry Editor and hit enter. Now right click, select new and select string value. Rename the string value to product version. Double click on it and set the value data to Windows 11 and click on OK. Now right click again, new string value. Rename the string value to target release version info. Double click on it and set the value data to 25H2 and click on OK. Now right click again, select new and create div or 32-bit value. Rename the key to target release version. Double click on it and set the value data to 1 and save the change. Now close everything and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, simply go to your Windows settings, then go to Windows Update and check for updates, and the Windows 11 25H2 update will show up. So wait for it to download and get installed. Once installed, simply restart your computer and it's done. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.